Hi everyone, my name is Marcella Gillespie and I live in Troy, Ohio, which is about an hour north of Cincinnati. I'm married with two boys, William and Grant, ages 12 and 10, and three rambunctious dogs. Let's see, I currently work for a private not-for-profit. I've been there for a little over 3 years, and my title is a Human Resource Recruitment Coordinator. So my main responsibilities are recruiting new employees and getting them onboarded. I attended Penn State University for my undergrad and majored in business with a concentration in management and marketing. In terms of international travel, I've only been out of the country a couple times. Three of those times was just up north to Canada. I was there twice for business, visiting Toronto both times, and then once for pleasure, visiting Niagara Falls. And then I traveled to Jamaica for my honeymoon. So that's about it in terms of international travel. Um, in terms of how my life has been affected by globalization or international business, I've actually never worked for a super large corporation or one that was international. Like I said, I'm currently just working for a private nonprofit. We're just located in Ohio, in 9 different counties. So I haven't had that much exposure to international business or globalization. But in terms of my personal opinion, I believe globalization is a good thing. There's a lot of benefits, and the benefits outweigh the, cons. The pros outweigh the cons. And I'm just looking forward to learning more about this topic. This is my last class for my master's, so I'm very excited to finish that up, but I'm also looking forward to the next 8 weeks. I see a lot of familiar faces, some that were in my last class with me, so I'm excited for that and to meet some new people and just continue on with this class. Thanks, everyone.